I am Seth Irwin. I am originally from Grampian, Pennsylvania, a big old town of 500. My small town of 500 was actually a small coal mining town, so my entire foundational self is built off the backs of coal miners. I watched what it did to the environment there. We're still seeing those repercussions today. The streams are still orange. The native species of fish are still rebounding. So I wanted to get into mining to help move it towards a more sustainable future. My background is entirely built on mine reclamation. I have built my entire program around it. University of Arizona had a lot of opportunities and a lot of different researchers heading in the direction that I wanted to see. How do things get repaired? How do we make it naturally sustainable after we're done doing what we're going to do to get the minerals up out of the ground? Great researchers, great primary instructors that have all been very helpful in leading me to where I want to be, and that's encompassed anything from plant stress to climate science, your GIS, your remote sensing, everything that's going to be useful in the future. My entire first year of PhD was funded by my department, and then actually the industry is funding the rest of it. I always harken back to what my grandma told me about the house. You leave a room better than you found it. So that is my rule for mining: leave the earth better than you found it. There are so many different ways and angles and avenues you can take to work with the industry, whether that be hydrology, whether that be environmentalism, whether that be mine operations themselves. I am a total fantasy nerd, whether it be book, video game, or movies. Something I like to live by even in my academic life is that hope is worth fighting for, and there's always something better out there, and it's worth the effort to strive for that. Hi, I'm Seth Irwin. I am studying eco-hydrology and watershed management, and I work entirely on mine reclamation endeavors, and I am mining.